Today I have a challenge lock for you guys. It's this beautiful yellowish, really yellow green ABUS 7240. It was pinned by Keymaster. It's number 13. It's built 19 August 2017. Oh, it was a long time ago, almost 5 years. And it's an, I probably mummified this key, I don't remember. This one was sent to me by Albert. Albert, thank you very much for sending it to me. And I will try to pick it. I prepared this. Yeah, it's going to fit. And my favorite, the forest diamond. I will try to pick it in hand. I don't know. It's challenge lock. Usually I'm putting in the vise, but let's try this one. Let me check how many pins. I even did not check that one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably 6 pin lock. Interesting. Very small keyway. If I can reach everything with this the first diamond, good. If not, I have prepared 0.4 millimeters. So let's try 1, 2, 3, nothing, 4, click, 5, 6, small click, probably serrated, 4 again, I think, no, feels set, 5, click now, 6, still feels set, 1, click, 2, nothing, 3, click now, 4, still feels set, 5, 6, couple of clicks with number 1. Interesting. I don't know if it's set or not. These are very small pins and the feedback is really strange, to be honest, so I don't know what is happening now. Pin 6, come on, and the spring, it's, so I don't know if you can see, like there is a very big, very hard spring pushing. So I don't know if I, and this is messing up my tensioning. So if I release the pressure a bit, then it goes like, try to go back and reset all my pins. So very strange. 1 feels set, 2 feels set, 3 feels set, 4 feels set, 5, I think 5 is very deep, so let me try with deep hook. Let me try if I can reach, if I can even be able to reach. It's a very, yeah, interesting. Check number 1. Got a couple of clicks previously from number 1. Set 2, small click from 2. Did I drop in number 2 or? No, nothing from 5, nothing from 6. I think I even overset pin 6. When I try to release a tension, it's because of that spring, it wants to go completely. Now 2, now I think 2 is set, so probably it was 2. Now 5, come on, 5, click from 5, big click, and I think we should be find a pin that is. Now I think I touched 5. Oh, it was very deep 5, very short keeping 5. So we are open. Nice. yeah, let me rearrange everything and let's try to. So yeah, the core is, first chamber is serrated or threaded, 2-0, 3-0, 4-0, and 5 it's threaded, 6-0. Nice sharp threads, fantastic. And let's see the pins. Try to zoom in a bit. So the first key pin, it's 1 serration, second is standard, third is a standard, fourth it's a spool like, very nicely done. Fifth one is 1 serration, and the sixth one is standard. And the key pins, the first one is very nice serrated one, the second one is like gin bottle pin, like a asa. The third one is 2 spool, fourth one is standard, fifth one it's like a queen in the chess, or maybe not queen, but it's very nice step down serrate spool. And the sixth one, it's like a spool with some kind of serrations. So very like a chess pieces, to be honest. Very nicely done pins. Keymaster, fantastic, fantastically built lock, fantastically built, fantastically done pins, especially the driver ones. So again, Keymaster, thank you very much for pinning it. Albert, well, thank you very much for sending it to me. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.